In this video, we're taking a closer look at the MB Sub 1 tuned audio package from MB Quart. Designed specifically for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma, this premium upgrade features dual 10-inch sealed subwoofers engineered to deliver deep, powerful bass and a dramatically enhanced in-cabin audio experience for your third-gen Tacoma. Here's a list of tools you'll need for this installation. Now, let's get into it. Flip rear seat bottoms up. Remove headrests from rear seats. Flip seat backs down. Using a panel tool, remove the two covers on the driver's side rear seat back. Using a 14mm ratchet, remove two bolts from driver's side rear seat back. Then, remove seat back from vehicle. On the passenger side rear seat, remove one bolt from the middle seat belt with a 14mm ratchet. Repeat these steps on the passenger side rear seat back. Then, remove seat back from vehicle. Remove two bolts on driver's side rear panel using a 10mm ratchet. Then, unclip back panel from wall and remove from vehicle. Remove 2 or 3 bolts on passenger side rear panel using a 10mm ratchet depending on vehicle trim. Then, unclip back panel from wall and remove from vehicle. Please note, if your Tacoma came with an OEM JBL system, you'll need to remove that as well. Instructions on those steps can be found in your kit. Now, let's get back to it. On driver rear panel, tape the provided drill template aligning with the vehicle panel as shown. Drill 4 holes with a 1/4 drill bit. On passenger rear panel, tape along the edge shown. Using a cutting tool, carefully cut along the tape. We will be using the top section in later steps. Remove 8 ST 4.2 by 19mm Torx screws holding the subs to the enclosure using a T20 Torx. Then set subs aside for installation in a later step. Apply foam gasket tape along top edge of enclosure. If you have OEM amp, place provided adhesive pad on the back of the OEM amplifier. Install 2 M6 speed clips at the position shown. Then, install passenger rear top panel cut in previous step back into the vehicle. Install sub-enclosure into the vehicle. Remove polyfill from enclosure while mounting. Secure the enclosure through the subwoofer openings with 4 M6 by 30mm bolts with 4 M6 washers using a 10mm ratchet. If your vehicle has the OEM amp, reconnect at this time. Reinstall the polyfill, and then connect the enclosure wiring to the subwoofers. Secure subwoofers using 16 ST 4.2 by 19mm Torx screws using a T20 Torx. Install driver rear panel back into the vehicle and install 2 bolts with a 10mm ratchet. Using a 1/8 drill bit, drill 4 holes into the sub-enclosure through the previous drilled holes on the driver's side rear panel. Install 4 ST 4.8 by 32mm Torx screws and 4 M5 washers using a T20 Torx. Then, connect sub-enclosure to the amplifier. Finally, Install the driver and passenger rear seats in the reverse order of disassembly, and with that, your installation is complete. If you're interested in this subwoofer enclosure or any other audio product for your Tacoma, visit our website at mbquart.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.